NX from Siemens Digital Industries Software, removing the barriers to innovation. Using separate, disjointed applications for product design, simulation, and manufacturing no longer works. Isolating those activities greatly discourages innovation while slowing a product's time to market. Improving product design, optimizing performance, and defining the most effective manufacturing process requires fast, seamless iteration between all the teams and disciplines. Rather than isolating these stages, Siemens NX integrates them into a single application. For example, take simulation's role in product design. It's no longer just for testing final design candidates. It fundamentally guides product design. NX provides the most comprehensive physics models available to more accurately predict real-world product performance and behavior. Engineers can take NX CAD models into SimCenter 3D's centralized CAE environment, which integrates many features and tools to evaluate design performance faster and earlier in the design process. Concurrently, the manufacturing team can start programming CNC machining operations using the same CAD model. NX CAM's wide-ranging capabilities, from core milling and turning to advanced high-speed and multi-axis methods, allow companies to standardize and automate part manufacturing using one system. Digitally validated NC programs maximize machine uptime and eliminate errors in production. By providing new breakthrough technologies, such as additive manufacturing and advanced robotics, NX enables companies to expand their capabilities and win new markets. NX's unique combination of tools and capabilities enables you to create a better, more robust digital twin of your product with far greater confidence as to its real-world performance and manufacturability, reducing your risk, costs, and effort. Seamless integration of design, simulation, and manufacturing is yet another way Siemens Digital Industries Software breaks down the barriers to innovation.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.